Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammed Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer in cloudallegend.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can deploy the Atlassian product Jira in EKS Elastic Kubernetes Service of AWS. So um, for that purpose I'm going to show you the link where you can simply follow the steps, simply copy paste these YAML files in your EKS cluster. So this is the Jenkins. Let me go to the AWS first. What I'm going to do is first of all use the storage. Let me show storage class kubectl and get storage class. So we have Jenkins and I'm going to use this storage class. Let me show you for our Jira, and the class name will be Jira. I have made this, so instead of Gira, this is the Punjabi version of Jira. So I'm going to deploy this as I am from Lahore. So instead of going for the original version of Jira, I'm going to use this Punjabi version of Jira in EKS AWS. Okay, kubectl apply a -f, and I'm going to use this Jira Punjabi version of storage class, and let's see that Jira is ready or not. So if you see the storage class, Jira is available, but I've got already the persistent existing volume. This is the one for Jira EKS. I'm going to use this volume. So let me show you guys the Jira.yaml file, and the process or the procedure is same as we have already deployed the Jenkins. So this is the Jira setup, and I'm going to use this Jira EKS cloudallegend.com. So this is the volume, existing volume 2EA I'm going to use for our deployment. So let's begin. Let's spin up a pod with regard to our Jira. So kubectl apply -f Jira.yaml. Okay, this is the error we are getting. Error validation. Okay, I'm getting this error. I'm going to pause this video and we'll be back with you guys why this error is coming. Okay guys, the issue is resolved. The issue is with regard to the YAML space, and I've also not mentioned the name, and let me show you guys. Oops. Yep, Jira dot YAML. So at the bottom I give this name Jira home, which is to the volume mounts, and I'm going to use the persistent volume as I've showed you guys. So kubectl get pods. Okay, both are up and running, and this is a good sign. So these are the detail of Jira, and I'm going to kubectl show you guys the get deployments. Okay, it is available, so that is a good sign. So I'm going to now use the Jira and S service. Let me first show you guys what's in it. So I'm also going to use the node port as I've done for my Jenkins. So kubectl apply -f Jira dash tab completion service.yaml. It is created. kubectl get services provide. It doesn't really matter. Okay, but the thing is that Jira is now running on port 32295. So I have to allow this port on my node security group. It is 32295. okay, so I'm going to create an inbound rule 32295. okay, and I'm going to allow this, and I'm going to show you as well that if I use this particular IP and excuse me, you will be able to see the three double two nine five, I guess. I'm not sure. 32295. okay, yeah. And this is the dashboard of our Jira. So what I'm going to do is to make a DNS entry first of all, and I'm going to also spun this on HTTPS. I will be back in a moment with you guys, and I'm going to also use the reverse proxy for this one as well, which I've shown you guys for the Jenkins in Docker. So guys, I've made the entry in my DNS. So let's go to the Docker, go to the Nginx ls, and I'm going to the conf.d. okay, this is the file I'm going to edit, cloudlegend.conf. so this time I'm going to use the my setting for, instead of Jira, I'm going to put the name and the actual name Jira dash EKS. It is also running on Elastic Kubernetes Services of AWS, which is pretty cool service by AWS. Jira EKS, and I'm also put the name here. Jira EKS. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys the reverse proxy part of this. I'm going to use the private IP, and it is going to fetch from that private IP. Okay, so the private IP which we are going to use for this, any IP you can choose. Let's say I'm going to choose this IP, and I'm going to put it here. I'm going to delete this. Okay, and the port I'm going to use, okay, I forget that port. You can see from yes. Okay, anyway, let's save this and we will see the port. Let's save this, and this is the port 32295. okay, so 32295. I am going to restart my engine next in docker restart in engine next. I've put the wrong spelling. Okay, it is started. Let's see. It is fetching on Jira -eks.cloud-elegant.com. So guys, Jira is running fine on our Elastic Kubernetes services. So we have currently we have kubectl, get pods, wide, and these are the two Jenkins and Jira running fine, and kubectl get services also running fine. So thank you guys, please like and share this video. Have a nice day. I will be back inshallah with another nice video for you guys. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.